Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I will show how to create a animation like scrolling text using Pascal, Pascal or Lazarus IDE. Scrolling text is a user interface by Programming ABC. I sense background color black. Now I add a panel. I add a label and label caption. Please subscribe and share my channel description. Programming ABC. Playlist available here. Number 1, C or C++. Number 2, Python. Number 3, Java or JavaFX. Number 4, Pascal. Number 5, HTML and CSS. Number 6, C#. And number 7, VB.NET. Okay, my font also black. Now I sense font color and font size bold italic 12 and font color green. Okay, set this. Now I need add to timer, enable false, interval 50, event timer event on time. Timer event if level 1 dot top colon equal minus remove colon less than or equal if level 1 dot top less than or equal minus first bracket label1 dot height, then begin label1 dot top colon equal panel1 dot height, enter, int space else, enter, begin label1 dot top clone equal label1 dot top plus 5 semicolon, end, it's something error, sorry, begin begin, begin, now it's okay. Now click form create event timer1 dot enable equal true colon equal true, and destroy event on destroy timer1 dot destroy. Now compile, you can save your project. Level moving from down to upward, it's working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.